Good evening. I'm Anita Abraham from Hyderabad, India. My 7-week journey on this course has been a fascinating learning experience. The whole concept of doing a professional development course online, the preparatory orientation course, and then the integrating critical skills into exploration and culture in an EFL setting online course along with our course instructor John and my colleagues from across the globe, was a novel idea in itself. The compactly planned and scheduled modules were a challenge in that we had to be organized and involved to take in the knowledge and insights that the course offered and apply it in our context while doing our discussions, the quizzes, and the assignments and see its relevance and value. The concepts and ideas which will work effectively in my context that I have acquired through this course includes the teaching of culture and integrating critical thinking into lessons and to cascade the new knowledge effectively to a larger audience. I plan to include a module on culture and one on critical thinking in my future training workshops as I am a certified English language trainer with with RELO US Embassy, the US Consulate, the British Council and the Government of Telangana. Every academic session in my context in the state of Telangana begins with an orientation or a refresher course for college teachers. Since I helped design these refresher and orientation courses, I will ensure that a session each is devoted on how teachers can integrate culture and critical thinking into their classrooms. Our college has a platform called the Faculty Forum where teachers across disciplines meet on third Saturday of every month and a teacher makes a presentation and shares the latest development in their field of expertise followed by an open forum discussion. I am looking forward for the college to reopen after the COVID-19 lockdown and make a presentation in the faculty forum at college and share the knowledge that I have gained through this course with my colleagues from across uh, the disciplines and brainstorm with the teachers from other subjects like the second languages, be it Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, or Sanskrit, and the arts, teachers from history, political science, public ad, journalism, and economics, and the commerce, the business administration course, and the sciences like physics, chemistry, botany, zoology, mathematics, statistics, and computer applications on how they can integrate culture and critical thinking into their lessons because it is important because both critical thinking and intercultural competence has become very important 21st century skills and it is very useful for the students to be successful in their lives. The course will have a deep impact on my future teaching practices. At the college level, I plan to work with my two colleagues in the Department of English on ways on how we can integrate the concept of critical thinking and the aspects of the diversity of Indian culture and foreign cultures into our language classrooms and focus on the development of the ability of observation and interpretation among our learners and also nurture intercultural sensitivity among our students. We need to work within the framework of our prescribed curriculum to instill in our students the habit of looking at things with multiple perspectives and also highlight to our learners ideas related to culture like the need for intercultural competence, awareness of low context cultures and high context cultures, and equip our readers to navigate through the various microcultures that they will encounter in their lives effectively. I plan to work with my colleagues Bangla and Suchitra on how we can transact these concepts with our students in our English classes, because these are of vital importance in a multicultural developing nation like India, where English is vital both for higher education and is the language of opportunity and employment. The area that I want to explore and develop in after the course, well, um, I would say I'm interested uh, uh, in the various new methods and methodologies uh, to teach English to speakers of other languages, so that the non-native learners of the language who is learning English either as a second language like in India, or as a foreign language like in some place, say China, can effectively transact in the English language. The course has been a wonderful learning opportunity for me, and it has helped me update my knowledge and my skills. Thank you.